Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Chesterton, local and long-distance movers near me. It's a long-distance move if you migrate more than 50 miles away. We have an excellent working relationship with local, state, and federal agencies that oversee interstate long-distance relocation. Our movers take their time to back and load your valuables carefully. Also, our vehicles are capable of transporting and relocating big loads. It's safe to say that our drivers have a lot of experience driving long distances and are all licensed to carry your stuff. We deliver your valuables to your new address as quickly as possible, and we are a reputable company, and we do not charge any fees that are not clearly stated in our quote. Moving inside the Chesterton, Indiana area is no problem for 3 movers. It's still important to plan your relocation, even if they're not as complex as long-distance ones. Our customer service representatives are available around the clock to answer your inquiries and address your concerns. We also make your local relocation quick and easy because of our extensive knowledge of the city's roads. We've got enough insurance to handle any potential obligation that may arise during this time. With our help, you will pay the lowest prices, and we charge between $30 to $40 an hour for the local relocation. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chesterton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.